Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best mm, port or hub available for MacBook is this Portronics Mport 31C 4-port USB-C hub. It is very economical and one of the best available USB port for Mac in the market. So I have ordered this from Amazon and it costed me around 320 rupees excluding delivery charge. In Flipkart you can also check, somehow the price will be the same. And here is the port, USB port, so it is compatible to transfer 5 Gbps high-speed data, and it has 4 USB port and one end is C-type. So I recently bought this MacBook Air, and here in this laptop 2 C-type ports are given, so I can simply insert this port here in this way, and I'm good to use this port. If you are looking for a cheap option for your MacBook to use this type of port, you can use this. Use USB or any other external device such as this hard disk, SSD. You can simply connect it from this port. So I will provide the link of this product in the description box. The MRP is written $999, but you can simply find it in Amazon or just 320 rupees.